Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on all notification settings on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. First click on your profile icon, click on this lines here, click settings and privacy. Now click notifications and here click in app notifications, and here as you see just click like this and it will be turned on. And that's how to turn on all notifications on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.